Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Ubuntu 22.04. Alright, so this is going to be on an AMD 64 computer. This is an MSI version from 2012. That's 16 gigabytes of RAM. I believe it's an AMD Phenom 2 processor. Try or install Ubuntu. And we'll see if it loads. Once it loads in, we'll come right to that screen. Okay, Ubuntu just loaded in, I do believe. Very user-friendly already, I love this. It's fast and quick already, I love it. Let me just do a test. Cool, okay. Alright. Press continue. Okay, we'll do normal install. Yep, I'm going to download updates. While installing Ubuntu, install third party. I'm going to get everything set up right now. Let it prepare everything, all my drivers, and everything it needs to do. It's going to take a little bit doing that one, so we'll be right back. Oh, no, maybe it won't. That's awesome. Okay, I do not want to install onside Windows 10. I'm going to erase the disk, install Ubuntu. Okay, doing this now. Erase the disk and install Ubuntu. We're going to install now. Yep, and further changes, we're going to switch to all data on any partitions as well as on the partitions that are going to be formatted. Partition tables. Yep, that's fine with me. Let's continue. Okay, after I typed in my passwords and etc., Ubuntu is now installing. Alright, I'll be back once it's finished. Here we are, installing updates. Okay, can I drag this over here? That's not too bad. Alright, y'all, well, Ubuntu is installed on here. I wanted to say that's all I got. I'm sorry if I said a couple things wrong or explained a couple things differently. Alright, well, I want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Cheers.